today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your money manager app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on more down here, you just click here on more, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on configuration here. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You come here to not button settings, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you like this here. Then you just click here on. So then here not button settings enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.